Animal kingdom, kingdom Animalia. 11 phylum. First Porifera, second Colenterata Cnidaria, third Stenophora, fourth Platyhelminthes, fifth Aschelminthes, sixth Annelida, seventh Arthropoda, eighth Mollusca, ninth Echinodermata, tenth Hemichordata, 11th Chordata. Main animals are heterotrophic, multicellular, holozoic growth and locomotion. Multicellular organisms having holozoic mode of nutrition called as metazoa. Parazoa is equal to cellular level. Eumetazoa, tissue to organ system level. Basis of classification: body organization, cellular level, division of labor present, porifera. Tissue level, Cnidaria and Pterocerifora. Organ level, example Platyhelminthes. Organ system level, Aschelminthes to Chordata. Second, complexity of digestive system. Incomplete digestive system, single opening for both mouth and anus. Example Cnidaria and Stenophora. Platyhelminthes. Complete digestive system, different opening for mouth and anus. Example Aschelminthes to Chordata. Diagram. Third, complexity of circulatory system. Open circulatory system. Body cells are directly deep into body fluid. No capillaries. Blood flow in sinuses. Open space. Example Tunicata, arthropods, cephalopod. Hemichordata, closed circulatory system. Capillaries present. Body cells are not directly deep into the body fluid. Example Annelid, Cephachordata. Fourth, asymmetry. Body division, asymmetrical, cannot divide body into equal halves. Example porifera. Radical, can be divided into two equal halves by any plane passing through center. Example Cnidaria and Stenophora. Adult Acetodermata. Bilateral, can be divided into equal halves by single plane. Example Platyhelminthes to Chordata. Exception Ectoderma larva. Mobile cephalization. Germ layers, embryonic layers, ectoderm, mesoderm, endoderm. Diploblastic. Example Cnidaria, Stenophora. Outermost layer ectoderm, middle esogela, underlayer endoderm. Triploblastic. Example Platyhelminthes to Chordata. Ectoderm, mesoderm, endoderm. Coelom, body cavity lined by mesoderm. Accolomate, a columate, no column. The cavity is filled with mesodermal cell. Example, Platyhelminthes. Pseudocolemata. Cavity is not completely lined by mesoderm. Mesoderm is in patches. Example, Aschelominthes. Mesodermal pouches. Eulomate. Cavity is completely lined by mesoderm. Eucolemate can be formed by two ways. Schizocolum, splitting of mesoderm. Enterocolum, formed from gut lining. Example, Annelida, Mollusca, Arthropoda, including Schizocolum. Example, Echinodermata to Chordata, including Enterocolum. 7th, segmentation. External segments corresponds to internal segments called as metamerism. Example, ACC, Annelida, Arthropoda, Chordata. Notochord, rod-like structure derived from mesoderm, provide exoskeleton to body. Non-chordatas, absence of notochord. Chordatas, presence of notochord. Nerve cord, nervous system present in both chordate and non-chordates. Stomochord, hemichordata. Phylum Porifera, pore-bearing animal sponges. First aquatic marine except Spongella, freshwater. Sessile, non-motile. Cellular body organization, asymmetrical, diploblastic. Accolomate. Osculum, exhalent pore. Ostia, inhalent pore. Wall. Pinacoderm, pinacocytes, porocytes. Mesenchyme, water canal system. Conocytes, conoderm, single conocytes. Cilia, filter food, called as filter feeders. Intercellular digestion. Titopotent, having repair properties, regeneration. Type of archaeocyte. Amoebocytes. Skeleton, endoskeleton made up of spongin and spicules, made up of calcareous and cilious. Canal system, water in ostia, spongicle. Osculum, exit. Ascan type of canal system, simplest canal system. Example, Leucosolenia. Function, bring nutrients. Second, respiration. Third, transport of gametes. Fourth, removal of waste. Hermaphrodite, but maturation time of sperm and egg is different. Only cross fertilization take place. Second type of canal system, Leucan canal system. Example, Spongella. Reproduction, hermaphrodite, monoecious. Cross fertilization, asexual. Fragmentation, internal budding, called as geminations. Geminules, Spongella, microphyte, outer layer, spicules. Indirect development equal larva present. Example, Leucosolena, Sycon, Spongella, Euspongia, Eupelecta, associate with streams. Clyona, Calina, only phylum without nerve cell. Euplectella plus shrimps, Venus flower basket. wedding gift, union till death as blessing.